Here I have the HALEYS Replay Eyeshadow Palette. This is actually in the color Just Drinks. So let's go ahead and take it out and show you what it looks like. I actually was sent this by the company to go ahead and give my full and honest review. So you can see it is a 4-palette eyeshadow. It does have a clear film right here protecting those eyeshadows. Go ahead and give you a closer view on those colors. Very nice. I would definitely be using this palette, especially like on a night out. They are nice smoky colors, very neutral colors, and then darker colors on the bottom. A cream color right here. You got a brownish color, a dark gray, and then a shimmery brown, darker brown color. So they do have their color names on the back, which I do like, so I'm able to know what colors I am using. So we have Nightcap, Champagne Problems, Moonshine, and Spritz. Very nice colors. I'm going to go ahead and swatch them. I already have my makeup done, but I am going to go ahead and swatch them for you just so you could see the colors and how the pigment is. So let's go ahead and take the Nightcap. You can see it picked up very well. It's a nice creamy color, like a nice cream color. Now we have Champagne Problems. Very nice. This is Moonshine. This is a darker charcoal color. Very nice palette. And then the last one is going to be Spritz. So let's go ahead and check that out. Very nice metallic color. Really, really like that. Wow, very pretty. Take a look at those beautiful colors. Very nice, very pigmented. That was just one swatch. This is perfect if you're trying to achieve a smoky eye look. Super nice. Again, very pigmented colors. I just dabbed in my fingers and swatched them against my wrist. But overall, if you're looking for a nice smoky palette, I would definitely recommend. This is a 10 out of 10 for me.